Are you looking for activities to do with your preschooler that involve a little bit of crafting and a lot of Christmas? Well, today I have an idea for you, so keep on watching to learn more. Hi, I'm Amy, pediatric occupational therapist and founder of Playapy, and I'm here to provide you with some playful solutions and powerful results. Today we're going to be making a Christmas tree with just one sheet of paper, and I'm going to show you just how to do it right now.
All you'll need for supplies are some scissors, a pencil, paper, crayons, and glue. You can also use a hole puncher as an option.
Here we go. We're going to start with our piece of paper and we're going to place it horizontally, and we're going to take our top right edge and bring it down towards the middle on the bottom, and we're going to fold it so that we're creating a triangle on one side and a rectangle on the other. We are going to cut away that rectangle and we're going to save it. That is going to be our decoration and tree trunk, and the rest is going to be our tree. We want to keep folding that paper so that we are creating multiple triangles. When you open up the piece of paper, it's going to be a square shape, and you're going to color half of that square green and leave the other side blank. When you're done that, you're going to cut away all your triangles. Now we're going to take those triangles and we're going to glue them in a layer sequence of green, white, green, white, green, white. Once you've done that, you can go to the decoration part on the other piece of paper. You're going to cut away about an inch so that you can color in your tree trunk, and you're going to glue that to the bottom of your tree, and then the rest you're going to use for your decorations. Now, there's many ways that you could do this. You can just draw circles and cut out the circles. You can fold the paper and make little semicircles and cut around those. You can also use hole punchers. There's all kinds of things you can do, but you want to color your paper before you cut it out. Also, you want to consider if you want to make a star. So you want to leave a little bit of that available for that if you want to color it yellow or just leave it white, however you please. After you're done all your cutting, you're going to then glue your decorations on and your tree is going to be done. It's a nice little simple activity. There's a really cute and different way to approach a tree using triangles and paper folding to help you along, and again, just using one sheet of paper. Now, if the coloring is a little too much for you, you can also use just two sheets of paper if you want to use the same idea. But the coloring is a great way, again, to work on hand strengthening skills and to get your preschooler coloring. So I encourage you to use that method. I'd love to see how they come out for you. If you want, you could send a photo to Playapy and we may post it on one of our social media pages. So keep on watching, keep on creating, and I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas.
Did you like this video? I hope that you did. If you did, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, or leave a comment. You can also head over to playapy.com where you can sign up for the monthly newsletter. You'll get discounts, news, and more. Plus, you can check out the award-winning PALS handwriting program. So I hope to see you over there as well. Until the next video, have a playful day.